Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to extract text from a PDF file. For this you need to download the following extension. The link to this extension will be in the video description. After the extension is downloaded, you need to pin it to the browser toolbar. Click on the icon, then select the language of our document and upload the document itself. The document has loaded, and now from the PDF file it turns into a file that we can download and open in Word. This way we've extracted all the text from the PDF and can work with it. Once again, the link to this extension will be in the video description. Thank you everyone.